Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really did know you are.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a powder review. So I got two new powders. This is the NYX Professional Wonder Snatch powder. I got two shades. So I got the pink shade and I also got the banana shade. The pink shade is shade number 2 and it is called Cheeky Cherry. This is what it looks like. These are so cute and compact, but this is the pink shade. This is how it looks. So cute. And then this shade is shade number 5 and it is called Banana Brat. These are the two shades that I got. Those are the two shades that interest me. They did have a bunch of shades, but these were the only two that interest me. So my intention is to use the pink shade under my eyes for a bright pink under eye, and then I'm going to use the banana shade for the rest of my face. So if you're interested in seeing my raw reaction and this real review of what I think of these powders, my first impression, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. And yeah, let's get into it right now. So let's start off with the pink shade. The pink shade, like I said, is called Cheeky Cherry. They're really tiny. Okay, let me flip it upside down so I can get some of it out. See, it's pink. This is what it looks like. Pink. So I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. I'm gonna go on with a powder puff. I'm gonna put it up under my eye. I'm making a mess. Ooh. Okay. I'm spilling powder everywhere. Okay. Oh, first of all, I don't know if it's just me, if you guys have used this, but I feel it tightening. I don't know if that's, you know, it absorbing the powders, but I definitely feel it like tightening up under my eye. I don't know what that's about. Maybe that's just a me thing, but I definitely feel it tightening. That is that. Okay, so that is the Cheeky Cherry shade. That's the pink shade. Now I'm gonna go on with Banana Brat. It is this banana shade. It looks like this. I'm gonna use a big powder puff, and because I want to do the rest of my face with this, so I'm gonna just dip in here and then just rub off the edges. Dip it in here, rub off the edges like that. We're just gonna set. I want to lightly press it on my forehead. Take it on my cheek higher. Okay. So this is the banana shade and then this is the pink shade. Okay, like I said initially, I can feel it tightening on my skin. I don't know what that's about. Maybe that's just how it's supposed to feel when it's drying up the oils and the product, but yeah, I definitely felt it getting tight on my skin. That was pretty interesting. Yeah, so I have let it set. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a brush, a big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna dust it off. Okay, and that's that. So I like this. Okay, so initial reaction, I really like it. It's definitely mattifying. It does not leave a cast, because I have used powders where it had me looking like a biscuit and it leaves a cast, but I like these. I would give these a 10 out of 10. They are lightweight. They're not heavily perfumed. You can feel it like tightening and working, and it's also compact, so I feel like if you want to take this on a go, that is perfect. So I really like these. I really like them. Do you guys see how flawless this looks? It looks like a filter, like it looks perfect. I really like it, and it's brightening, but it's not too bright to where I look casket ready or it leaves like a gray cast, because some powders will leave like a gray cast. I think this is really nice. I think NYX did really good, but NYX always does good. I really like NYX products as well as e.l.f. But yeah, it's perfect. I'm gonna finish my makeup and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna wrap this up, okay? But let me finish my makeup and get the whole look together. But right now I really like this. NYX did a big one. Okay, so my look is complete. This is how it looks. This powder is perfect. I genuinely like these powders. I do think they are worth the money. I think they retail for about $12. They're really little, really little. Like they're tiny, like you can just ball them up in your hands and hide them. Like they're really tiny, but I like them. They don't leave a cast. They're compact, so you can take them anywhere. It's not too heavy. It doesn't have you looking cakey. You guys see how flawless this looks? So yeah, I really like this. It does give it a matte look, but not matte where you look like casket ready or a biscuit, like it just sucks all the moisture. No, it looks perfect. So yeah, these I would give them a 10 out of 10, and I definitely will be reaching for these and definitely will be incorporating these in my everyday look and my makeup looks from now on. So NYX did a big one. I truly enjoyed this. So NYX did a big one, and yeah, that's it. That's all. This is the look. You guys got to see me put it on, and yeah, I really like it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being here. I will leave links down below so you guys can purchase these. They sell them at Ulta. I got mine from Walmart, but they sell them at Ulta, Target, Walmart, so I think CVS. So yeah, anywhere you can buy NYX, you probably can buy these. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.